History Month quiz. It's time to test your history. Do you know Black history? Let's find out. Question: who was a key figure in the Underground Railroad, helping slaves escape to freedom? Harriet Tubman, born Araminta Ross in Dorchester County, Maryland, around March 1822. She was one of the most famous conductors on the Underground Railroad. She helped many slaves escape slavery. She also was an activist and served in the Civil War. Did you know the answer to that question? How about these questions? Can you name the African American astronaut who was the first woman of color in space? What historical event marked the end of slavery in the United States? Can you name the African American inventor known for the Super Soaker water gun? We'll find out in the next video. Subscribe to learn more Black history.